Did you know that selecting the right mortgage can save you thousands of dollars in interest payments over the life of the loan? In this beginner's guide, we'll break down the basics of mortgage financing, debunk common myths, and provide you with the tools and knowledge to confidently navigate the mortgage process and find the best deal for your dream home. Welcome to the world of mortgage financing. Buying a home is a significant milestone, but navigating the complex landscape of mortgage options can be overwhelming. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer or looking to refinance your existing property, understanding the ins and outs of mortgage financing is crucial to making informed decisions. Are you considering buying a home, but unsure about mortgages? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to walk you through the basics, and even more. So, let's dive in. Section 1. What is a mortgage? Let's start with the fundamentals. What exactly is a mortgage? A mortgage is simply a loan that helps you finance a home. You borrow money from a lender to purchase the property, and then you pay it back over time, with interest. Here's a simple example to make it clearer. Imagine you want to buy a home for $300,000. Now, instead of paying the full price up front, you decide to pay 20% as a down payment, which in this case, would be $60,000. The remaining amount, $240,000, you borrow from a lender. This is your mortgage. You'll then pay off this loan over the next 15, 20, or even 30 years, depending on the terms you agree on. Section 2. Types of mortgages. Now, there are different types of mortgages, and choosing the right one can make all the difference. We have fixed-rate mortgages, where the interest rate stays the same throughout the loan term. Then, there's the adjustable-rate mortgage, or ARM, where the interest rate may change after an initial fixed period. And don't forget the government-backed loans like FHA and VA loans. FHA loans are great for first-time homebuyers, while VA loans are specifically designed for veterans. Oh, and here's an interesting fact for you. The first mortgage ever recorded was way back in 1190 in England. Can you believe that? The concept of home loans has been around for centuries. Section 3. Benefits of a mortgage. So, why should you even consider a mortgage? There are some powerful benefits that can't be ignored. First and foremost, it allows you to build equity and grow your wealth over time. As you pay off your mortgage, you're owning more and more of your home, which is an asset that usually appreciates in value. And don't forget the tax benefits. In many cases, you can deduct the interest you pay on your mortgage from your taxable income, which can save you a significant amount of money. Plus, you have customization options. You can choose the term, the interest rate, and more, to suit your financial needs and goals. Section 4. How to apply for a mortgage. Now, let's talk about the process of applying for a mortgage. It may seem complicated, but don't worry. I'm here to break it down into simple, manageable steps. First, you want to get pre-approved. This step gives you an idea of how much you can borrow based on your financial situation. Then, you fill out the application. The lender will ask for your income, employment details, and credit history. After that, it's on to underwriting. During this process, the lender will carefully evaluate your financials to ensure you qualify. And finally, once everything is verified and approved, you get your mortgage and are one step closer to owning your dream home. Here's something fascinating. Studies show that homeownership can actually improve mental health and bring a sense of stability. Isn't that incredible? It's not just about financial security, but emotional well-being too. Section 5. Surprise. Now, here's a little surprise for you. Did you know? You can also use a mortgage to buy a second home, or even an investment property. It's not just about your primary residence. Mortgages can open up a world of opportunities. So, let's recap. Mortgages help you build wealth, come with tax benefits, and offer customizable options to fit your needs. If you're ready to take that first step toward homeownership, or perhaps you're thinking about buying a second property, contact us today. We're here to guide you through every step of the process and provide personalized advice tailored just for you.